Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steak. Today I just want to address something real quick and it's about the pandemic in general. I know it must be hard for you guys. Speaking from personal experience, I'm actually currently in Athens. We are actually in lockdown and I know it must be hard because we are unable to see our friends and family in general. So I just wanted to say real quick, hang on, hopefully in a couple of months, maybe 1 year max, everything is gonna return to normal. And try to enjoy the little things, being at home is not too bad, if you figure out what you like. Okay guys, now I'm bringing you a chicken breast right here. Look at this. It's a 500 gram breast actually. We're gonna actually cut it from the beginning. This is how it looks when you get it from the butcher or the grocery store. You want to just remove the fats on the side, like that. Try to go all over. It's fine if you remove a little bit of pieces of chicken, Okay, now we want to actually cut it into three almost identical pieces. You want to make sure that the knife is doing the work. Don't try to force it. Here we are guys, our first cut. Beautiful. Now let's cut it in half again. Here we are, our second cut right here. Now our third cut. They don't look actually identical, but good enough. Here we are guys, we're left with 3 beautiful chicken breasts. So guys, now we're gonna add some ingredients to the mixture that we're gonna leave the chicken marinade in. So we have about 150 milliliters of condensed milk. We have about 50 milliliters of pickle juice. We're gonna do half a lemon. You wanna just squeeze it. Sometimes it helps to kinda use the knife to squeeze everything out. Just like that. About a tablespoon of salt and pepper. Okay guys, now we're gonna actually mix them together. Make sure that everything is mixed well enough. Now we're gonna actually add the chicken. We're gonna only use 2 pieces because we're gonna leave the last piece for next time. Make sure that everything is inside the marinade. Mix it properly. Okay guys, as you can see, we have 1 piece of garlic, 1 beautiful piece of onion, white onion. We're gonna actually cut the onion in half. Okay, now a nice trick to cutting onion. You wanna go like that. Go almost all the way to the end. Remember to leave the back part heat. This is what's holding the onion together. And then I'm gonna actually cut it this way as well. Now, from the sides, we just move like that. So you get nice, even, small pieces of onion. We're gonna just remove the big parts to the side. Beautiful. We're gonna just use half the onion. Make sure that you have everything on the sides. Now, I'm not gonna use the same technique with the mince, with the garlic, Just gonna cut it. Doesn't need to be super small. Something like that is fine. We're gonna put them aside. We're gonna use them later. Okay guys, now we actually took our chicken out of the marinade. We washed them and dried them. Okay guys, now we have a 10-gram butter right here. We're gonna put it on the grill. You wanna kinda move it around on the grill. Make sure you cover every part. Now we're gonna actually add the chicken. You wanna hear that sound. Also you wanna push it a little bit. Okay guys, while the chicken is actually cooking, we're gonna put the rest of the 10-gram butter right here. Okay guys, now after our butter has melted, we're gonna add our onions and garlic. Make sure you add everything. I'm gonna kind of move it around a little bit. Okay guys, now we're gonna actually flip our chicken. Nice and beautiful. Now the other one. As you can see, we have our beautiful grill marks here. I'm gonna also push it. Should have similar grill marks on the other side as well. Okay guys, now we're gonna actually add our leftover of the mixture that we made for the chicken into the pan. This is what's interesting about this recipe. We're not gonna be actually wasting anything in it. I wanna kinda move it around a little bit. The chicken is gonna take about like 10 minutes to cook. The same goes for the sauce. Okay guys, until the chicken and the sauces are actually finished, we're gonna just eat some Pringles. Okay guys, we took our chicken out, as you can see. Look how beautiful they look. Now we're gonna actually add some Parmesan cheese to the sauce. You wanna kind of move it around, just like that. Just try to mix it, helps. Yeah, I also forgot to say that while cooking the chicken, use about medium to high heat so you don't actually burn the outside and cook the inside. Okay guys, so we left our chicken to rest for 5 minutes, just like that. Also put it like that. Now I'm gonna show you a nice trick now. So we're gonna actually take the sauce, put it on the pasta. You can also use it as a dip for the chicken if you want. Now what you wanna do is put your knife like that on the side and then push the chicken into the knife so it stays in form. Just add it on the chicken. Here you are, spaghetti with chicken creamy sauce.